Hey, to lock your apps with the password on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to open the settings. From this, we'll have to go into the security and the privacy. And now we are looking for the secure folder. So it's actually on the more security settings. Click on the secure folder and then tap continue. Click on it 2 times. And now just wait for this creating process. And now with this secure folder, we can actually input there any application that we want and set password for this folder. So it actually means that no one without this password will be able to reach those apps. And it's also cloning your apps. So we can use like for example 2 Facebook accounts. But for sure you can log in into the same one. Whoopsie, that was my phone. Never mind. Now when it's created, you will have to actually pick the lock type. So we got the PIN, password, pattern, fingerprints. Let's get, for example, the simple pattern. Draw your pattern, click continue, and do this one more time. Then click confirm. Now we can turn on the reset of the secure folder with the Samsung account if you forgot your password. But in my case, I'm going to click cancel. And now we have to click next. And from this, we get actually 7 default apps that are in the secure folder. But when you click on the plus, you can actually add other apps. So let's say that you want to lock your Gmail and, for example, WhatsApp. So add these applications, click to add. And now I can recommend you to click on the 3 dots in the right upper corner and select lock type. So we have to go into the settings, then select automatic lock and pick each time I leave an application. Now when you go back from this one and try to open the secure folder, so now let's just find it. There it is. And as you can see, we have to input the password to get access into our apps. So now I can open my Gmail application. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.